Hello, my name is Alejandro. So today we're not going to be talking about the marketing. We're not going to be talking about the money. Today we are going to be talking about your passion. Now all these successful people from Einstein to Mr. Bean, they all know this secret. And the secret is that the short-term memory is short, is not so long, is short. That the short-term memory is short. So that's why we people, we need the tools to help us. So otherwise it would be like a sand falling through your fingers, you know? You grab a handful of knowledge and it slowly disappears. Now what if you had a beautiful tool that could help you capture this knowledge? Something that would illuminate only the things you need to know. Now I hear you thinking, Alejandro, what is this tool? This tool is a pen, a marker. All right. We all know that marketing is all about selling the pen. And if you can sell the pen, you can sell anything. So take this marker, this pen, and highlight only the things you love. Only the things you wish for yourself to remember. And the rest will fall away like sand through the fingers, like blowing away like a dust in the wind. So if you want to buy this pen, click on the link below, it's $4.99. But if you want to learn internet marketing, come over to my website, sign up, it's free. Bye-bye.